Our company is mainly based on physical manufacturing and integrates R&D, production and sales. The company has always provided services for new energy electric, provide advanced packaging equipment solutions in the fields of pool production, manufacturing, testing, and logistics. We have a group of senior experts at home and abroad and leads in domestic new energy battery logistics equipment. At the forefront of science and technology, our company mainly produces various mouse and keyboard products, including mechanical equipment products, office keyboards, membrane keyboards, traditional keyboards and mice, wireless keyboards and mice, touchpad keyboard and mouse, embedded keyboard touchpad, gaming keyboard and mouse, multimedia keyboard and mouse, various power battery brackets, and various trays. Since the establishment of the company many years ago, through unremitting efforts of united people, actively improving his quality management awareness, he obtained the title in 2014. ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System Certification. Our company attaches great importance to technological innovation, quality assurance, and always adheres to the road to enterprise development through science and technology quality, continuous optimization, and strengthening a sustainable development path. Integrate internal and external resources of the enterprise from a strategic perspective and strengthen complete innovation mechanism and organizational structure to create a conducive activity for innovation, dynamic environment, promote the industrialization of technological innovation achievements, commercialization and revenue maximization, and continuously enhance the core competitiveness of enterprises. Competitiveness.